I think that LifeScience4EU brought so many important stakeholders from various fields, both academia and public affairs, that it created great atmosphere to create a dialogue. It created a great atmosphere for dialogue, and I hope it will lead to particular actions that will lead to change of the life science and be input for life science strategy of Europe. I think that the future of life science innovations in Europe is quite complicated nowadays due to global ecosystem influenced by the geopolitics situation, and therefore I would highly suggest that European Union should act right now and very fast instead of creating new regulations that will help the science and innovations bring to market. They need to act upon things that are happening right now in Europe and in a global scale. And therefore, there is not much time for creating regulations, rather working with particular sandboxes in order to evaluate the innovations and bring them to the market and adjust them to the market and bring them to the market as soon as possible. I'm a huge fan of life science community in Kraków, and I know that there is enormous human potential here, but at the same time I do see the weak sides, that this community needs to act faster, need to act more bolder and create breakthrough technologies and in their projects that they're leading, because otherwise this potential won't bring the fruits that we are needing and expecting. Please create this conference next year, the same place and similar setting. Wonderful atmosphere and great lineup. Thank you very much for having me here.